Welcome to Matrix Academy for Civil Engineering. In this video, we are discussing IS code for drawings. The first one is IS 962-1989, Code of Practice for Architectural and Building Drawings. The next is IS 9609-1983, is for lettering on technical drawings. Next one is IS 10711-1983, it's for size and layout of drawing sheet. The next is IS 10713-1983. It's for scale for use in technical drawings. The next is IS 10714-1983. General Principles of Presentation on Technical Drawings. The next is IS 1165-1987. It's for technical drawing on title block. The next is IS 8390-1995, Part 1. Terms related to technical drawings. The next is IS 8976-1978, Guide for Preparation and Arrangements of Sets of Drawings and Parts List. The next is IS 10714-2001, Part 20, Basic Conventions for Lines. The next is IS 10714-2001, Part 21, Presentation of Lines by CAD System. The next is IS 10714-2006, Part 23, Types of Line and Their Applications. Next is IS 10714-2006, Part 30, Basic Conventions for Views. The next is IS 10714-2006, Part 40, Basics Convention for Cuts and Sections. Next is IS 1105-1984, Part 1, the Drawing Practice for Axonometric Projections. The next is IS 11663-1986, the Conventional Representation of Common Features and Materials. The next is IS 11664-1986, Folding of Drawing Sheet. Next is IS 11666-1985, Technical Drawings Items List. The next is IS 11669-1986, General Principles of Dimensioning on Technical Drawings. The next is IS 15021-2001, Part 2, Technical Drawings Projection Methods, Orthographic Projections. The next is IS 15021-2001, Part 4, Technical Drawings Projection Methods, General Projections. The next is IS 15057-2001, Computer Aided Design Technique. The next is IS 15093-2002, Spaces for Drawing and for Text and Title Block on Drawing Sheet. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.